In this lecture, we talk about the animation of logo in Filmora 12. So open your Filmora and from here I import my logo, right? So for this purpose I download the Filmora logo. So I import it and from here I want to use this picture for my project, right? So I drag and drop and from here I drop my logo and from here resize it, then select your logo and then click on it and reshape it, right? So I reshape it and I want to move my logo from here to here, from lesser to bigger. So I resize it, right? And now I animated it. First I select then basic and then click on image, right? And then click on the animation. So the animation is on the keyframing and I move here and I want to my logo move from this corner to this corner, from lower to bigger size, right? So in the last I resize is bigger, so it is the full quality, so I want to reduce the quality and from here to render my project for smooth playing. Now I again play it. Now I want to rotate my logo, right? So I want to remove this all keyframes, right? And I want to resize it first and then click on the keyframe and also from here rotate it. First I replace it, then move here, right, and then move it, and from here you enter the value minus 360, right? I again play it. Now I want to move my logo from here to this corner and then again this corner and then this corner and again move to the right place, right? So for this purpose I clear all the keyframe, right, and then select my logo and then click on the keyframe and then select the area and then move it. The keyframe is also applied and then move here and I move here. The keyframe is applied and then move here. From here then move here. The keyframe is applied, right? The keyframe is applied for the position and then move here and the keyframe is applied. So first I render it and now I play it. If the distance is lesser, so the speed is greater, and if the distance is greater, so the speed is lesser, right? If I want to resize it, right, and then move the keyframe, so it will be moved slowly. Move it here and then move here and then move here. Now I replay it. So it is a short method how to animate your logo in Filmora 12.